Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 12.
Awesome Math number 12. So yesterday you were working on this. This isn't a number theory problem. This is a kind of a geometry problem. It was pretty challenging, right?
Yeah.
The idea was to try to find the perimeter of this shape here, and it was all those angles are right angles. What does that mean, if they're all right angles?
So that means it's not like, it's not other than 90-degree angles.
Okay, yeah, so it's kind of like the angles that you'll see in a square or a rectangle.
Except there's more of them than in a square.
That's right. Okay, and so you were having a hard time with this, so I asked you to build it with Duplo blocks. And we're going to pretend that each Duplo block, whoa, sorry, now that I'm on the figure you made, I guess I need to zoom out a little bit. We're going to pretend each Duplo block, can you give me one Duplo block? Has a length of 1 across the top.
Yeah.
So the first bit across the top was 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's good. And then it came down some unknown amount. That was the challenge part of the problem.
Yeah.
Okay. And then it went across how many?
Went across
Remember?
3.
Okay, now how far does yours go across here?
Oh, mine goes 2.
It goes 2. And what's the problem with that?
Well, I made a block inward.
Yeah, you made the block. You were counting on this, that it was 3 blocks long, which is absolutely fine. That's fine. But it goes, if we're going to make the perimeter be the same, it's got to go 7, down some unknown amount, and then out 3. So we can fix that, though.
Yep.
And we'll fix that with the camera off. So we'll just keep going and make sure everything else is right. It came down some unknown amount, right? Didn't say how far that was, and across some unknown amount. And then it went up 5. So let's see how many years went up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Went up. That goes up 5 blocks, but on the outside part of the perimeter here, how many blocks did you go up?
4.
4. Okay.
So we need to scoot this up 1.
Yeah, we need to scoot it up 1. Then across some unknown amount, and then it went up 6. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have to make. Looks like we have to make 2 corrections.
Yeah.
We have to extend it out this way 1 block, and we have to extend it up 1 block. Think we can do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that with the camera off because that's going to take a while, and then we'll come back and talk about it. All right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're back, and we're going to go back to our shape here. Does it show up on the camera? I guess I can zoom in again. We're going to try to see if we've recreated this shape. So 7 across, some unknown amount down, 3 out, unknown amount down, unknown amount across, 5 up, 6 up. Okay, and the question is find the perimeter. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's see what we can do here. Zoom back out. Alright, so, ooh boy, it barely fits on the camera. Okay, let's see how far we go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good.
Yep.
Some unknown amount down. 3 across. 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Some unknown amount down, unknown amount across.
And then 5.
5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good.
And then an unknown amount across.
Unknown amount across. 3.
And then 6 amount up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Looks like we got it. Looks like we got the perimeter on the outside looking like the picture we had.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what do you notice about the new shape now?
Wow. These are parallel. This is the same length as that.
Oh, interesting. Okay. All right.
And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seems to be the same length as this.
Oh. So this going across is 7. This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. And this is 3. 1, 2, 3.
So maybe
And that's 3.
Maybe if we discarded all of the horizontal things in here, so if we discarded this and if we discarded this and moved this, we would get a rectangle.
Oh. That's interesting. This could unfold. This Shunk. Shunk.
It could be a rectangle.
And we could get a rectangle. Ah. Can you see that in the picture? I'm not going to zoom in, but there's the picture. Can you see that in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay. How far across would the rectangle be?
That way it would be 7 and down.
How far would the rectangle be? It would go from here all the way up to there.
Oh, so 10.
10. And how far up and down would it be?
Well, up and down, it's this 5 plus that 5, which is 10. So we'd make a square.
Gotta double check what the...
Oh, so 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
So 10 by 11 rectangle.
A 10 by 11 rectangle. And we're trying to find the perimeter of that. Which is what?
Well, it's 20 plus 22, which is 42.
There you go. 42.
Cool.
Okay, so the interesting thing about this is because it was all right angles, it meant that how far you went across this way was the same as how far you went across on the top.
Yeah.
And how far you went up and down this way was the same as how far you went up and down that way. So that allowed us to see that we went 10 across on the bottom and on the top, and we went 11 up and down on both sides. And that gave us the perimeter of?
Oh, 42.
Okay, good job, sweetie.